In this video, I'll show you how you can add qualification on LinkedIn. So it's very simple, just click on your profile and from here you need to click on Add Profile section. Then from here you can choose either from recommended, so you can choose add licenses or certifications, or you can click additional. And from here you can also choose like honor or awards or test scores, but for this video I will choose recommended and I will add a certification. So click on it. From here you need to fill all these details, so name, organization, so let's say I don't know, Microsoft. I'm gonna fill all these details. Then you can fill all these dates, and then this is the most important, you can upload your file here. So I'm gonna upload my certification here, so click on add media. Then from your computer choose your certification, so this one, open, and it's going to load. So this is my certificate, and then click apply, save. Save was successful. Now you can share it with other people, or you can just skip this step. And then if you refresh your LinkedIn and you scroll all the way down to licenses and certification, you will see your certificate. So this is how you can add your qualification on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.